This is a video tutorial on how to make community request cards. Community request cards can be used to facilitate effective communication within the community. They can be used by anyone who has difficulty communicating using speech alone. They allow the person using them to feel independent and empowered in their own communication. And they can also encourage people within the community to communicate with that person. How to make community request cards. Step 1. Consider when and where you'll use them. Consider the situations and events where you may need to make a request. Consider your needs and also your wants, such as ordering a coffee or going to the movies. Step 2. What you'll put on your cards. Use clear, simple language when wording your requests. Think of all the steps from start to finish and any extra information that may be required. And also consider adding pictures, images, or symbols to make the cards quick and easy to recognise. Step 3. What will your cards look like? The cards need to be large enough to read clearly, but small enough to carry around with you every day. You should also consider colour coding your cards. For example, you can colour code your cards into themes. Yellow could be for shopping, green for leisure activities, and blue for public transport. And finally, you should also laminate your cards to keep them durable. How to make community request cards using Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word and select a blank document. Click Create. Change the orientation of your page by clicking Layout, Orientation, and selecting Landscape. Now insert a table by clicking Insert, Table, and insert a 2 by 5 table. In the second row, write your request. Remember to use clear, simple language. You can add extra information using dot points by clicking Home and then adding bullet points. Just start typing. To add further dot points, just select Enter. To finish using, just type Enter twice and keep typing. Once you're happy with your text, the next step is to add pictures and edit your text. Open your web browser and search for your images. I also added in clipart in my search because clipart images are very clear and easy to view. Once you've chosen your image with clear bold lines, right-click, copy your image, and return to your Word document. In the top row, right-click and click Paste. You can resize your image by clicking on it and dragging the corner arrows. Once you're happy with the size of your image, select your text to resize it. You can resize your font up here, or you can just click on the up arrow. Also remember to use a clear font that isn't cursive and easy to read. Finally, you can print your cards. To print your cards, click File, Print, check your print is correct, and then click Print. Once you finish your cards, you can cut them out, paste them onto your backing according to their themes, and laminate them. You can laminate your cards affordably at somewhere like Officeworks. You can also place your cards on a keyring, and then you can put them on a lanyard for everyday use. Now you should practice using your cards. You can practice using your cards with role play first with a friend, and don't forget to practice introducing your card for the first time. You also need to wait for your card to be returned to you. Once you're happy with your role play practices, practice together with a friend in real situations until you become comfortable using your cards on your own. Don't forget to keep your cards updated as required and consider any situations where a community request card could be useful to add to the collection. For further information, visit the Scope website. Thank you.